Hello, what is your name?
Hi, my name is Hannah.
Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
What do you do for work?
I'm teacher.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have a brother.
Where are you from?
I am from Canada.
How old are you?
I am 22 years old.
Are you married?
No, I am not married.
What day is it today?
It's Tuesday.
Can you help me?
Of course. What do you need?
What are your hobbies?
I like to cook.
Would you like some tea?
Yes, please.
What time is it?
It's 4 o'clock.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I enjoy exploring new places.
Can I help you with anything?
No, I am good. Thanks.
What is your favorite food?
I love pizza.
How was your weekend?
It was relaxing.
Do you have any plans for tomorrow?
Not yet.
Have you ever been to Paris?
No, but I would love to go.
Do you play any musical instruments?
Yes, I play the guitar.
Do you exercise regularly?
Yes, I go to the gym.
How do you relax?
I watch TV and read.
Do you like to cook?
Yes, I enjoy cooking.
What's your favorite animal?
I like dolphins.
How long have you been working here?
I've been working here for 7 years.
Would you like to leave a message?
Please ask him to call me back.
Do you get my message?